On the one hand, you know that this Silchar division and division manager of Silchar division, we have four states basically: Tripura, Manipur, Mizoram, and parts of Assam. But in Tripura, market share is highest in India. Market share, LIC business market share is highest in Tripura. Whereas Aizawl and this Mizoram and Manipur, it is lowest because private company has captured the market. Then one thing you remember that insurance, what we are selling in market, those are not pure insurance. What is pure insurance? Pure insurance is term insurance and health insurance. These two are only pure insurance. There is no return, there is no maturity. That is called pure insurance. But we are selling endowment type policy, which is a combination of insurance and savings. Where savings is more, insurance is less. If you say Jivan Allah policy, Jivan Aman policy, endowment policy, money back policy, every policy there is maturity value. So people are investing in LIC not only for their life cover but also for their future provision, future savings. If you sell pure insurance like health insurance or term insurance, what is the GST rate? What is the GST rate? A conventional policy, what is the GST rate? 4.5%. But if it is health policy or term assurance, it is 18%. Those who have sold, they know. The 18%. If the entire premium is term assurance premium is risk premium. So GST is on risk premium, not on savings premium. So in conventional policy, government has decided tentatively, though it will vary from age to age, for higher age, risk premium will be more, but tentatively 75% is savings, 25% is insurance. That's why they are taking this 1/4 of this GST rate. So that is one thing. But we are selling savings to customer. So savings, if we sell savings, then our comparison will be with bank, with post office, with other company. Because those who are investing in LIC, they will ask you what will be the maturity value. First question they will ask what will be the return. They will not ask you that what my nominee will get. Nobody will rarely ask that if I die, what my nominee will get. People usually ask what will be the maturity value, what will be the return. So, in compared to other investments like bank, post office, our return is now attractive. Bank interest is reduced, it is hardly 5% to 5.5%. Bank interest is taxable, though many people are not paying tax here, but bank interest is taxable. Secondly, bank there is one headache is there. You have seen the newspaper report, I don't know. You know the bank is guarantee by bank deposit, there is a one insurance on bank deposit. If you say keep 20 lakh in bank, in fixed deposit, savings, etc. If bank cannot make this payment in future, what amount you will get? If bank fails to give you your deposit amount, there is a insurance provision, and it is as per government or reserve bank provision is there, you will get only 5 lakh. Means if bank fails to pay your deposit amount, fixed deposit or savings bank deposit or recurring deposit, you will get 5 lakh as per the government guideline, not more than 5 lakh. In case of LIC, if it is 50 lakh, 1 crore, 2 crore, 10 crore, entire amount is guaranteed by government in India, which is called sovereign guarantee. It is there only in LIC. So LIC, sum assured plus vested bonus, these are guaranteed. But in case of bank, it is guaranteed up to 5 lakh. Earlier it was 1 lakh, now it is 5 lakh. So I am not telling against the bank, it is the government provision. So advise your customer that they should not keep entire amount in bank or post office. They should spread their investment. Some portion in LIC, some in portion in bank, some portion in post office. So investment should be spread in 3-4 instruments. Instrument means bank, post office, LIC, etc. Then coming to LIC business, you know that COVID has created havoc in globally and in India also. Means people have lost their job, people have lost their income in different other fields, not in insurance. In fact, insurance business increased due to COVID in many branches. I am telling in India, because when there is a threat on our life, if we feel that there is a threat on our life due to some disease, some other external factor, we will try to insure ourselves. And that happened. Insurance coverage is increased, people are inclined to insurance. On the contrary, if you see the other sector, hotel industry, you see that many hotels are closed now. So those who are associated with that hotel industry, they are suffering, their income has gone. Tourism industry, usually we will do travel outside India, many various places. But for last year we are not visiting. Similarly, entertainment industry, those who are associated with cinema, theatre, etc., music, they also suffer. But LIC, insurance and medical industry, they gain out of this COVID. So we have the opportunity to get business from market. But whether we are able to encash the market or this business is going to some other company, that we have to think. Then if you see the deposit of the deposit in bank or post office, what is happening? I told you now that entertainment expense has gone, traveling expense has gone. People are keeping their money, more money in savings. Means I have money, but I cannot spend. I cannot go outside. I cannot entertain, expend for my entertainment. So I will keep it in bank or post office or in some other instrument. So people have money to invest, people have money to save, whether we are able to reach them. So that you have to think. There are, Aizawl is a capital city, so there are huge wealthy customers, high-end customers, who can invest huge amount, whether we are able to reach them. We have two types of policy, single premium, non-single premium. Broadly two types of policy. There are other variety also, pension, health, etc. But lump sum, why I am telling lump sum? We are paying huge amount to maturity. Banks are getting those amount. Whether we are encashing those amount. People are getting lump sum amount through retirement. Those who are retiring, they are getting 50 lakhs that lump sum. So those amount we can take to LIC through single premium. I have seen that people retiring from LIC, they are investing in LIC, in Given Upside, Given Family policy. Because if I today get 50 lakh, I will not do 50 lakh recurring policy or conventional policy. I have to keep in single premium. And single premium advantage is that if you give somebody 10 lakh Given Upside policy, you will get 56,000 every year as pension. You can convince him that out of that 50,000, 60,000, you can pay some amount in our pension, conventional policy also. Friends, if you cannot follow something, I think Jyotin will later explain what I am telling you. But business opportunity is there, try to encash it, sell more number of policy, otherwise this business will go to private company. And another good business opportunity is that ULIP. Yesterday also Aizawl branch collected 20 lakh under ULIP. Who had deposited that amount?
Yes, yes.
Here. So he has deposited 20 lakh under ULIP policy, reverse last policy. Now mutual fund market is again booming. People are investing huge amount in mutual fund. Mutual fund market is basically 1 lakh crore, which is double of LIC business. So that business we can tap through ULIP. Because our ULIP policy will give return plus insurance. Mutual fund will not give insurance. Then mutual fund, it will attract capital gain tax. ULIP will not attract. So there are some benefit in ULIP also. So try to sell ULIP, reverse plus minimum premium is 1 lakh, or you can invest more than 1 lakh. For other ULIP policy C, where monthly premium is 4,000, minimum is 4,000. Anybody can invest more also. So ULIP is a market. I heard that this entire Mizoram is cancer prone area. Entire northeast basically cancer prone area. So cancer cover also you can sell. It is purely non-medical. There is no headache, no medical. Even if it is sum assured in 50 lakh, then also it is non-medical policy. Only precaution you have to take that person having cancer history or cancer history with his family, they cannot take the policy. Otherwise, they can take the policy. And in case of cancer, I was RN health insurance in Mumbai. I settled so many claims. People just paid 4,000, 5,000 and they get 10 lakh, 20 lakh lump sum amount. Because cancer can affect anybody anytime. Because in Silchar there is a cancer hospital behind Yes hospital is northeast. And many patients are coming from different states to that hospital. So cancer cover, their doctor are telling us that people should have cancer cover policy because many patients or their family cannot bear the cost of cancer. So cancer cover also there is a market try to encourage it. So friends, there are so many policies with LIC. Every policy has their unique market. So it is not like that we will sell only endowment policy. We have to endowment policy, we have to sell pension policy, we have to sell health, we have to sell ULIP. If you have any problem understanding the product, you contact your development officer, PLI or ABM sales PM, they will explain you the product. But market is there for every product. And since the number of agents is very less in this branch, I will expect all of you to increase your productivity. Productivity means sell more policy, bring more premium. Because then only LIC business will increase in Mizoram. Because agents are very few, only 100, 120 agents are working in this branch. So your performance will increase, your per agent policy plus premium. Attractive competition has been launched by division and the central office. You know that last month there was a campaign, Big Billion Day, then Big Billion Week. Now this entire month, it is called Big Billion Month. That yearly competition is there from central office. For every 5 lakh, you will get 5,000, 10 lakh, 10,000. Those who will deposit 25 lakh, they will get around 28,000 plus All India too. So I think you will complete, you already deposited 20 lakh. If anybody can deposit 50 lakh, you can go to Southeast Asia. Means LIC will contact that tool plus cash award. So many benefits are there. We have competition 6 policy, 10 policy in the second fortnight. So I will expect that all of you to perform. And my last request to all of you that this month will end on 29 and 30 days. Another 2 days are there. Basically tomorrow is also working day. But last 2 days I expect business from each one of you. At least 2-3 policy. Minimum I am telling you that on the 29 and 30th do some business so that Aizawl branch is suffering because of this COVID etc. So Aizawl branch is now in negative growth in policy also. So that can be made up if you all deposit policy on Monday and Tuesday. So do business. We will support you from divisional office, whatever support required in terms of your giving some plan leaflet, policy document, etc. Everything will be supported from divisional office. There will be some difficulty because it is far away from division, but we will try to help as much as possible. Wish you all the best and wish that Aizawl branch with all your sincere effort will be a leading branch. It was leading first in premium. So you will regain that position again. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your blessings.